Okay, so I'm now going to show how to do the problems that you guys will see in your homework for today or your practice. In this video, I'm going to show the number 1 that is on your lesson for Module 3, Lesson 2. It gives a bunch of different information. It says that you have a plane. The pilot's weight is 165 pounds. You have no co-pilot. The rear seated passengers are 251 pounds and 296 pounds. There's 98 pounds of baggage and 58 pounds of fuel. You'll notice that the empty weight of the plane is populated for this problem. It is 1,460 pounds or 1,460 pounds. It's the same as the one in the video or the PowerPoint that we looked at in the last video. And the pilot, co-pilot, fuel, rear seated passengers, and baggage I populated into this sheet. That's what you'll be doing for the problem when you guys work on problem number 2. You'll populate all these things, and now I've waited to actually do the calculations. I want to show you how I get each of these. The moment, to figure out the moment, the total moment, I have to actually do the calculation. So I take my 1460 and I multiply by the 37.4 inches away that it is from the center of gravity to get 54,604. I do that for the rest of these as well. So I'm going to take 165 pounds, that's our pilot, and multiply times the distance that he is or she is away from the that center. I'm going to keep doing that for each one. So this is 0 because I have no co-pilot. 58 times my 45.3 gives me 2627.4. I have that 547 pounds are where my passengers are, and that gives me a moment of 39821.6 pounds, and I have my last calculation of 98 times 94.9, and we get 9,300.2. Okay, so I'm going to now calculate my total moment. My total moment is the 54,604 plus 6105 plus 2627.4 plus 39,821.6 plus my 9,300.2. My total moment on this plane is 112,458.2. My total pounds, or my total weight for this scenario, I'm going to add those now together. So I'm taking my 1460 plus 165 plus 58 plus 547 plus my 98 pounds. On this plane, we have 2,328 pounds. So now, if I'm the pilot, before I fly this plane, and I know that this is the scenario, I am going to go through and make sure that this will fly okay. So I try to find where this 28 is. It's going to be right in here. I followed over to see if 112 is within this envelope, and 112 would be in here. It's going to be borderline for this one. It looks like it's going to be borderline, but it does look like it's going to fly within the envelope. That's an example of what you guys are going to see in your problem set.